guys, it's Julie. We're making my coffee. Ano order mo, Fred?
Hazelnut mocha.
Hazel. How about you, girl?
Double choco.
And you, girl? What's your order?
Unknown.
I got liempo and then Spanish sardines with bread and with liempo. It's the coffee bar. Sarap.
Hindi ko alam kung ano pa pangalan ko. In English ko lang yung bayan luma.
Type of beans ulit to.
And then papakita ko na rin sa inyo yung labas. Of course. Na? Hey guys, it's Julie and welcome back to another style and story. Narinig nyo ba yung tunog ng leeg ko? We're here at the TCD. We're going just to have some coffee. It's Sunday today and I'll share with you this coffee shop. We're just ordering. So they're making my coffee. Videohan ko lang. So we got our order already. So I get pistachio. This is pistachio and this is... Ano order mo, Fred?
Hazelnut mocha.
Hazel. How about you, girl?
Double choco.
And you, girl? What's your order?
Unknown.
We're going to eat. I'll just show you our food. I got liempo and then Spanish sardines with bread and with liempo.
Hindi, ano siya, pupunta lang siya sa bahay, Sabado.
Gonna eat na. And some chicken. We're done eating and then tatambay pa rin kami dito. We're just gonna check some coffee here. They have coffee bar there. That's the coffee bar.
Anong base? Espresso?
Espresso.
Yung TCD blend. Blend namin.
Yung blend ninyo talaga.
Pwede mo siya tingnan ka.
We're selling coffee here then ng ano.
Kano per bag?
Kaya lang, yung price ito. 1.6 per kilo. Pero ano kasi siya, Ethiopia, Costa Rica.
Sarap.
Chocolate.
Medyo, ano siya, yeah. Medyo,
Taste na sa chocolate, tapos fruity. Tapos, ang gusto ko dyan, very smooth finish. Para wala kang mararamdamang gaspang sa laman.
Okay. Okay nga siya.
Yan yung espresso namin.
Ilang grams yung per bag?
Ang 250 grams. 400 pesos. Actually, meron din kaming mga in-introduce na bagong blends kasi Costa Rica and Ethiopia, pricey talaga yung coffee meron. So, nag-introduce din kami ng Colombia at Brazil na blend, which is the Old Town blend. Old Town blend na, hindi ko alam kung ano pa pangalan ko. In English ko lang yung bayan luma. Brazil, Java, Robusta na blend.
So itong, anong type of beans ulit to?
Arabica, Costa Rica, Ethiopia. So, ako din gumawa ng blend naman yan. Pero very smooth kasi siya.
Yeah, it's good.
Hindi mo mararamdaman.
Iba kasing beans, it's yung aftertaste niya.
Oo, nag-stay.
Nag-stay.
Oo, nag-stay siya sa lalaman.
So ganito yung hanap ko. I think I'll get one bag meron.
Sige, magagawa kami ng...
Hanap rin siya.
May roasted naman na kami. Re-repack na.
Ano lang, pag-grind kasi...
Espresso grind?
Ano lang, brewing machine, yung ano ko, brewer, yung brewer ko.
Sige. Kaya namin. Isa din importante yan eh. Tinatanong talaga namin yung grind.
We're going out. And then, papakita ko na rin sa inyo yung labas. Of course. So guys, I think we're all done here. So yeah, this is just a quick vlog and I hope you can visit this coffee shop. Hindi kita eh. Bye guys!
Bye!
Bye Sunshine! Thank you so much for joining us to this another Style and Story visiting coffee shop. Bye bye! Just a quick catch up. So if you want to visit this coffee shop, it's highly recommended here in Imus, Cavite. It's one of my favorite coffee shop here. Nakauwi na kami, hindi pa pala. We're going somewhere, I don't know where, but I'm just gonna film it for memories because we have a new friend, a pretty friend.